SafeHeaven IoT consists of two things, mainly the automated pump room system and feedback system. This is how the automated pump room system works for testing the hydrant pump. Butterfly valve of delivery will be turned off with the help of PLC, and then the drain valves will be opened. This whole thing will be operated through PLC panel. As soon as the water pressure falls below the threshold, the hydrant pump will start. The same procedure will be followed for sprinkler and standby pump. The pump will remain on for 1.5 minutes and all the parameters will be recorded in the system. Apart from this, our SafeHeaven IoT system will also give a live data of battery conditions, diesel level, water level, pressure on pumps, flow of water through pumps with the help of flow meter. Confident, we highly recommend SafeHeaven IoT system with every firefighting system to ensure the fire safety.